I'm joined now by Eric Faddis, who is a Colorado defense attorney who has been closely watching Dr. Craig's case. Oh boy, Eric. Okay. First of all, I want to ask about openings and all the rest, but not before I ask you, what is his defense? There seems to be this mountain of evidence. What is he saying other than, oh, they had tunnel vision?
As an ominous set of circumstances here, and not a ton of outs for the defense. The evidence does seem pretty overwhelming if proven. During openings, defense kind of hinted at, sort of insinuated that perhaps Ashleigh Craig was suicidal, and perhaps that is the reason she ultimately died, and not at the hands of a poisoning by her husband, James Craig.
So there are very few people who are suicidal who want to put themselves through weeks and weeks of poisoning and pain and suffering. But he had a story for that this was kind of all her plan to make him look bad?
That was a piece of it. He also apparently disclosed that she was taking opioids and perhaps had overdosed on opioids in the past, that she had had suicidal ideation in the past, that this had been kind of a pattern for her. Now, that has not been proven in court, but these are the statements of the accused when he was interviewed.
Okay. So, Eric, I still can't get over the fact that this family is a family of 8. There are 6 kids. They're Mormon. They're living this life that looks so perfect. Those pictures look like they were, for the cover of People magazine, but not before the awfulness began. Where are the kids? How old are they, and are they backing Dad?
So they are on the younger side. I don't have their exact ages. In fact, the court has issued an order that really prohibits media from disclosing the names of the children and other identifying characteristics. That being said, it's a bit unclear what side that they are going to be on. Now, the prosecutor at the end of the day today mentioned that there will be a service dog present in court sometime soon. And that usually signals that there will be a child who will be up on the stand testifying. We're in the prosecution's case in chief. And so that could mean that that one or more of the children may testify against their dad.
Well, I have a feeling that's the case because, as I understand it, and correct me if I'm wrong, they already told the police, no, Mom was not suicidal. So that would tell you something. But you never know, right? With kids, you just never know. So the other question I have is this whole business of this guy has been spinning through lawyers. What happened with lawyer number 1? What happened with lawyer number 2 so that we've ended up on, round 3?
Actually, these are peculiar developments. Usually you don't rotate through 3 defense attorneys in such a high-profile, nationally publicized case. Lawyer number 1 was Harvey Steinberg. He is an esteemed criminal defense attorney. I actually worked for him for a period of time. He's filed a motion to withdraw on the day the trial was set to begin, stating that the course of action could be fraudulent or criminal and was repugnant or something with which he fundamentally disagreed. And so you can read into that what you will. The second attorney, Rob Working, also very highly reputable in Colorado. He was recently charged with arson. And so he had to withdraw from the case. His wife, Lisa Moses, is handling the defense alongside Ashleigh Whittam, the woman seen there in that clip, who I think got on the case relatively recently.
Okay, I want to ask our control room to put that picture up again. There's this picture of the victim in this case, and she kind of looks like she's in a hospital bed, maybe in her final, few days of life. And I think I heard, please tell me if I'm wrong, I think I heard that he sent that picture to his mistress. He took the picture of his dying wife. This one here takes a picture of his dying wife. Maybe she's in her bed at home. It actually looks more like a picture at home. Is that actually true? Is that something they're asserting in court?
That's my understanding. And if they establish that, how callous, what an utter disregard for the well-being of one's wife to simply send a photo to their mistress of their dying mother of their 6 children. And if that comes out, I don't think it's come out in court just yet, but if it does, I think it's going to have a huge impact on this jury. They're going to say, hey, if he's capable of that, gosh, he could be capable of this.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.